Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to begin with chemistry, and the first topic in chemistry is branches of chemistry. Before going into detail about the branches of chemistry, students, let us first define what chemistry is. It is defined as a science that examines the materials of the universe and changes that these materials undergo. In simple words, students, chemistry is a science that looks into the materials of the universe and the changes that these materials pass through or go through. Students, chemistry can be divided into 8 branches. The first branch with us is physical chemistry. Now, what is physical chemistry? The branch of chemistry that deals with the laws and theories to understand the structure and changes in matter is called physical chemistry. Students, now what is theory? Theory is something about which the scientist writes in detail about the topic which he wants to know about. And structure is basically a form of something, and matter is anything that is having a mass and occupies a space. So I hope students now physical chemistry is clear to you. What is it? Physical chemistry is a branch of chemistry that deals with the laws and theories to understand the structure and changes as in matter is called physical chemistry. Number 2 is organic chemistry. Now what is organic chemistry? The branch of chemistry that deals with the substances containing carbon is called organic chemistry. Now, students, diamond is having carbon. It is an example of organic chemistry. However, students, there are some carbon compounds such as carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, carbonates, and bicarbonates. They are studied in inorganic chemistry. Now, what is inorganic chemistry, students? It is that branch of chemistry that deals with the elements and their compounds, but not organic compounds. It is called inorganic chemistry. Students, inorganic chemistry is that which in which the substances they have either little or no carbon. For example, carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. Now, the fourth branch of chemistry is biochemistry. Now, what is biochemistry? The branch of chemistry that deals with the physical and chemical changes that occur in living organisms is called biochemistry. Now, students, what is a physical change? The physical change is like a change that occurs in overall structure of a thing that affects the form of a substance, but it does not affect its chemical composition. For example, the change of water into ice. It is an example of physical chemistry. Now, what is chemical change, students? Chemical change, it results from chemical reaction. For example, digestion of food. I hope now the definition of biochemistry is clear to you. Let us read it once again. What is biochemistry? The branch of chemistry that deals with the physical and chemical changes that occurs in living organisms is called biochemistry. Now, the fifth branch with us is industrial chemistry. Now, what is industrial chemistry? The branch of chemistry that deals with the methods and use of technology in industries on large scale in order to produce useful substances is called industrial chemistry. Okay, the sixth branch with us is nuclear chemistry. Now, what is nuclear chemistry, students? It is branch of chemistry that deals with the changes that occur in atomic nuclei is called nuclear chemistry. It means, students, whatever change occurs in the nucleus of an atom, that is called nuclear chemistry. We can take the example of hydrogen. If a proton is added to the nucleus of hydrogen, it becomes helium. Now, the seventh branch with us is environmental chemistry. What is environmental chemistry? The branch of chemistry that deals with the chemicals and the toxic substances that pollute the environment and their adverse effects on human beings is called environmental chemistry. Students, as you know better, that the vehicles, they produce toxic gases which are added into the environment, and because of that the environment, it gets polluted. So whatever pollution is there in the environment, that is included in the environmental chemistry. Now, the eighth branch is analytical chemistry. What is analytical chemistry? The branch of chemistry that deals with the methods and instruments for determining the composition of matter is called analytical chemistry.